there's something going on over there at the Deer Park Town Center where the Yankee Candle is, which is a complete fucking bullshit store. And then there was a truck coming by. But we are that's beyond, that's not some false stuff on October Halloween, what's going on. But there's some stuff here. Mostly false stuff here. There's like a week hiding in that box over there, you can see right there. They got Dyson fans. Hey, look, they got baskets. Look at these Dyson fans. Yeah, no Halloween there, just false stuff. I know, I told you that Shamrock was a good location, but they didn't get everything in. They don't have everything in stock yet. Looks like we got some beer.
Skinny syrup.
Skinny syrup. Alright.
Not too much here.
Yeah, we got this pumpkin, which is pretty cool. Right there. See if I can get to the back over here. Yeah, that's about it. I know Shambo's go get Shambo.
Table runner.
That's Lady who's hiding over in that box over there.
Why was she hiding in the box?
I'm not sure. Okay, that's gonna do it for now. Well, actually, not quite, because we're done with the store tours, but we still have to look at the Spirit and Kildare, which is setting up. So let's go look at that.